Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark, and we are doing 324 divided by 6 long division. 324 is the dividend. It's the number you're dividing up. Say you have 324 candy bars and you want to divide them into 6 groups. 6 is the divisor. So you can see I divided 324 into 6 groups, and you can see how many are in each group. That would be the answer or the quotient. But that took me a long time to do. So we're going to use the standard algorithm instead. And we just follow the steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Purple, red, green, blue. Let's go ahead and get started. Usually we would start with this first digit right here. And then we're always dividing by 6 because that's our divisor. So step 1 would be 3 divided by 6, or how many times can 6 fit into 3? Well, wait a minute. Does that make sense? Can you divide 6 into 3? Like if I have 3 candy bars, can I put them into 6 groups? Not really. So that doesn't make sense. 6 can't fit into 3. It's just not big enough. So when this happens in long division, it's actually pretty simple. Just go ahead and take the 3 and the 2, and you're just going to do both of them at the same time. Kind of saves you a step too. So 6 cannot fit into 3. In this case, we need to take 2 digits at a time and do 32 instead of 3. So we're going to do 32 divided by 6. In other words, how many times can 6 fit into 32? Or my favorite way to do it is, how many times can you skip count 6 to get close to 32 without going over? So I can go that far, but no further. So you can skip count your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times without going over 32. So the answer is 5. And you're going to put the 5 up top where the quotient goes. That was our divide step, our purple. We're done with that, and we're going to move on to red, which is multiply. Take that last number you just put in, the 5, and multiply it back with the 6 to see, how close to 32 did we get. 5 times 6, what is 5 times 6? 30. Put the 30 in the red boxes under the 32. Next, we're going to subtract to see how much is left over. What is 32 minus 30? The answer is 2. Put this in the green box. So before we go on to our next digit, we're just keeping this 2 because it was left over. So then when you bring down the next digit, you have the 2 left over, and you keep that with you. The next step is to bring down. Which digit are we bringing down? You're going to bring down the 4. And now we have a 24 down here for our next step. Start the steps over and divide again. We're going to divide 24 by 6. In other words, how many times can 6 fit into 24? Or 6 times something gets you 24 or close to 24. Another way to think about it, my favorite, is how many times can you skip count 6 to get close to 24 without going over? So here's our multiples of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's as many times as you can skip count 6 to fit in to 24. The answer is 4. Put this on top where the quotient goes. Our next step is to multiply. Take that 4 that you just put in and multiply it back times the 6. 4 times 6, and put your answer here in the red boxes. 4 times 6 is 24. Our last step is to subtract. Just to make sure there's nothing left over, we would call that a remainder. So you're going to do 24 minus 24, which is 0. This means that 324 can be divided exactly into 6 groups with nothing left over. So all the groups would be equal. They would all have exactly 54 in them. So each of these groups is 54, 54, 54. 54 times 6 is 324. 324 divided by 6 is 54.